Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be doing another Yoon inspired recipe and we're going to be making their new dessert that they are serving, and it's the waffled up rice cakes. So we did our best to try to find the same exact rice cakes as they did, but we failed with the green soup duck. Grace called everywhere and we went everywhere and they didn't have it, and Essie wants to join. We are gonna twist it up a bit and do our own variation on the toppings as well. So stay tuned till the end because Grace will also be whipping up some Dalgona coffee, which we haven't had in a while, and I know it kind of faded out, but I feel like it'll bring really good cafe vibe. Let's go and check out the ingredients. So I have my melted butter. Brush this onto our waffle maker. And we'll start with the regular Injeolmi first. And this is the Injeolmi. Maybe 4 is too much. I think maybe we should just do 3. 3? What do you think? Right?
3 is good.
Let's try this. So let's see how this looks. It's been like almost a minute.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa, that looks so good.
I think it needs to be longer so that it crisps
Crispy?
up.
Yeah.
Oh. What?
Dang. Say that.
Couldn't find the green ones. We got the ones that had a black powder on it and another one that had a cinnamon powder on it, but these are filled with red bean, which I think there is no problem with it because it'll just add sweetness to it. So let's waffle these up and see how that turns out. Gosh, I'm like really curious to see how this is gonna end up looking. That's good. Oh, it's
It shrunk, yeah.
And the last one. Oh, this is for sure gonna spill out. So Injeolmi is a rice cake. So you have rice, and then I know people like pound it long time ago. This very long. I don't think they do this manually now. It's probably some machine. But they have this wooden thing, bowl, and you put rice in there, and you take turns beating it until it becomes really sticky and soft like mochi. And mochi?
Mochi?
Mochi. Injeolmi is a couple of different beans that are grounded together. You cover them with this powder. And so with this, you know, we have our cinnamon one and we have some black sesame seeds that were grounded into this powder as well. Ooh. Okay, this is done too. I think these are gonna be so good. Okay. We're going to be adding, like they did on Yoon, some strawberries and honey to it. And then for the cinnamon one, we're gonna add some caramel syrup with powdered sugar. And with the Oreo looking black sesame Injeolmi, we're gonna add a scoop of vanilla ice cream and add a mint leaf on top. I think it's gonna look really pretty, especially with the Dalgona, which we will make next. So every time I scoop...
Oh, it's a loud truck.
Is it a garbage truck?
No.
What is that? A construction.
Oh, no, it's the big metal
Yeah.
waste nest. Yeah, it is not.
Were you recording?
Yeah, I recorded.
So every time I scoop ice cream, I think of my friend Jackie because she used to work at Ben and Jerry's, and she was talking about how her forearms would get the best workout of her life because she's scooping ice cream and it's really hard to. I can't imagine doing this all day, every day. It's so hard.
So that it's like a little.
I love ice cream too.
Love. I'm already filming.
Wait, did you see the hole that I made with the toothpick?
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm saying it was weird because you stuck it in.
Well, I thought it'd be pretty if it's just like facing
Oh,
up.
it looks like it's sprouting. Like there's like a.
It's pretty though.
It's so good.
This truck. Oh my god. It's so good. Like, it beats any brunch cafe.
So good.
Mm-hmm.